Hello everybody! Today I will be sharing with you guys my recipe for these mouth-watering homemade barbecue chicken wings. My parents absolutely loves this recipe, so I hope you guys will too. These wings are a healthier alternative to restaurant and store-bought ones because they require no frying, no breading, and no dipping sauce. Most importantly, they're only 350 calories per serving and super easy to make. So, indulge away! Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pound of chicken wings split, tips removed, around 18 pieces. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And for the barbecue seasoning, 1/4 cup of unpacked brown sugar. 1 tablespoon paprika. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but optional if you can't eat any spice, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Set your oven to convection and preheat to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix together the barbecue seasoning. If there are any lumps, break them apart until the mixture has fine grains or looks something like this. Next, rinse the chicken wings and dry them very well using paper towels. You want to remove as much moisture as possible because it helps the baking powder and seasoning coat the wings evenly, and it will also help to make the skin crispier. In a bowl, toss the wings evenly with baking powder, and then add in the barbecue seasoning. Cover a baking sheet with aluminum foil and brush with some cooking oil to prevent sticking. Finally, place the wings evenly on the tray and they're ready for the oven. Bake under convection at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until the wings begin to char. And these delicious wings are done! Crispy, tender, and has all the flavor of your traditional barbecue sauce. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and I promise you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you wish to see more healthy recipes in the future. And until next time, happy eating! Bye bye!